This car right here, I'm telling you, this is a car that is like sitting on the beach and looking out in the ocean. And you know, when you're in the ocean, or at the ocean, you hear the water, the waves hitting up against the rocks. You know, you get a sense of tranquility. You know, it's peaceful, it's calm. When you look at these older cars like this, they look like that. It brings that to you because you can see where the detail is. It seemed like somebody took their time to create something that was unique. You know, great craftsmanship. This is a 1977 Lincoln Continental. This thing is in great shape. Great shape. This is one of those cars where you go down the road, if you hit one of these new cars, it's going to push something. Let me see what we got over here. Get the light under here. This is underside of it. It has some steel in here. There's that old mechanical fuel pump. I remember those. If something was wrong with your gas tank, you just take that hose and put it inside a gas can and you can keep going. You didn't have to worry about sitting on the side of the road waiting on a tow truck. You know, trying to do some diagnostic with electronic meters and solar scopes. You didn't need all that. Just go right to that thing and run that hose right there, right into a gas tank, and you can keep on going. Drive all the way from Ohio to California. Let's see. This has really no rust. Got a frame on it too. Look at that. That's pretty good. Steel. Where's that frame? I saw it. There's the frame right there. Got a big frame. You go down the road, you hit a bump, you won't even feel it. This car was in pretty good shape. Pretty good shape, this car is. Brought it here because he thought he had a transmission leak, but he doesn't have a transmission leak. Look at it, the floors are not rotted out at all on this. Not at all. Floors are not rotted. Everything is solid on this car. This car is in great shape. This is an old C6 transmission. Got a modulator on it. Right there. Modulator. Yep, this is a very good. Very good. Very clean. Car is very clean, very clean. Definitely must have been kept on the inside. Nice to hear steel. Nice to hear steel. Woo! Ah, here is this beautiful car down on the ground. I'm telling you, look at that. Look at that. This is a 77 Lincoln Lincoln Continental. It's a coupe. I mean, this vehicle here was well kept. Inside, very nice. Look at that. All you do is drive it. You got a speedometer, you know. Let me get on the other side here. I mean, this is real nice. This car is real nice. Leather interior, I mean, real nice. get on the other side of this car here. Get a good view of this thing. There you go. Got a nice steering wheel with nothing on there. Don't push nothing. Okay. Speedometer. You got your lights, your washers, your, what is it? The alternator, where is it? Right there, alternator. Your fuel, your park, reverse, neutral. You got your temperature sitting on the other side over there. Where is it? I saw it. Right there, temperature. And there's a clock. You know, that's it. You don't have all that other garbage inside of it. You can get in the car and drive. One time I was in a car and I stopped at the gas station and ended up standing there for about 10-15 minutes trying to find out what button opened the fuel cap. That's stupid. I'm up here trying to put some gas in the car and I don't know where the button is to open up the fuel cap, the fuel door. But you get these new cars today, only thing you see is they all look the same. Rounded in the front, rounded in the back. A BMW look just like a Hyundai. You got a Hyundai that's supposed to be a luxury Hyundai. Look like the BMW. You got Mercedes-Benz. They look like BMWs. They all look the same. Only thing you know that you can tell the difference from is that they got a different symbol. The BMW have its symbol. The Mercedes has its symbol. You know, but when you see something come in like this, whoo, boy, I tell you. You let this thing go down the road and hit one of these new cars. This big train is going to go down there and push that car all the way into the ocean. I mean, you hit any bump on the road, you're not going to even feel it. I mean, this well balanced, it can take these roads that the construction workers are not fixing properly in the first place. Every 3 years, they got to build on the road again. A bunch of orange barrels. They can't seem to get it right. You get one of these on the road, run right over those bumps and lumps that they leave on there. This is a nice car. Nice car. Real nice. Okay, he brought it in because he said it was leaking. He had a leak, but it's not leaking from the transmission. It's leaking from the seal, rear main seal. Transmission seems to be okay, but boy, is this a nice vehicle here. The inside is just beautiful. This is beautiful. Woo-wee. I would love this to stay in here just to look at it. I mean, real nice, real nice. This is nice. Nice. The underside is nice. This car will last another 10 years if taken care of. Real nice. Beautiful car here. Real nice, real nice. May get another shot of it outside, I don't know. Right now it's inside. Now here's a car in today's time. This is a car that's worth paying $20,000 for. Get those old plastic things. And like I said, you get right inside, turn the key and you go. You don't have any video screen looking at you or trying to find out where the windshield wipers are. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna take some more pictures of this beautiful Lincoln before it leaves. This car was garage kept, and it has supposedly only 15,000 miles on it. Let some people see how nice some of these old cars were. People paid close attention to detail. When they made things years ago. It's a very nice car. Now the owner of this car, his parents had this car and bought it brand new. At the time when they bought it, it was $13,000. Let's say brand new. And the parents kept it in the garage. Let's see if it shows the miles. Yep, 15,000 miles, actual miles on this car. There it is. Where is it? 15,758. The underside was solid, no rust. Ooh, is this a beautiful car? Beautiful. Nice interior, all leather. Nice car, nice car. Doors shut solidly. Just don't make them like this anymore. Don't make them like this. Like I said before, these newer cars, they don't have nothing on these older cars. Look under the hood of this here. Motor is pretty good. Get the fenders. Everything is solid in this sucker. Nice car. Inside here, this car starts right up. One start. Runs nice and smooth. It's real quiet. Real quiet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hate to see this car leave. Just sheer looking at it. I hate to see it leave. 15,000 miles on this.